guys? This is Ethan from Gone Wrong Garage, and you're watching the Infinit Ryda.
What's going on, riders? It's your boy Infinit Ryda, and today we about to crack open some of these boxes. Some of the packages for the Z125 came in, and we're gonna unbox these joints. So a few of the things that I need to actually start customizing the bike or making it my own have come in, such as my Pro Taper grips, which you see there, and this Fender Eliminator Kit. So let's open this up, see what it looks like. Now, most of these parts, people have already done so many install videos on them or whatnot. So I probably won't be doing the install video on everything I do to the bike, but I'll be doing like a before and after. This is the Fender Eliminator Kit I went with. I got it off of eBay. I'll put a link to the guy who sells them. I hear they're really good quality Fender Eliminators, and I got it for a real good deal, like $30-something, but it feels definitely solid metal. It comes with a little LED light, but it'll be a while before I can put this on. I gotta wait until my integrated tail light comes in. So let's get this out the way. Now what we'll be doing today, I'll be installing this new exhaust. But first, let's take a look at the old exhaust.
Infinit Ryda.
So I caught this exhaust on sale from Hotbodies Racing.com. It's their Hotbodies exhaust. And again, there's so many videos of installing stuff onto the Z125, and I hate doing how to install videos as it is. So all I'm gonna do is unbox the exhaust and install it. I won't be actually filming the install, but I'll do a before and after clip of the sound and the way it looks. So let's see what we got here. We got some little paperwork. Got the main header pipe with the spot for the O2 sensor. Little nuts, bolts, and the spring. And we got the main muffler right here. It actually looks really good. I love the way that carbon fiber looks on there. I got the stainless steel tip, and as you can see in there, it's wide open. So let's start working on this. So I'm not about to film this entire process of taking this exhaust on and putting the new one on. There's too many videos of that out on YouTube anyway, but I will show you what I'm gonna have to do. Basically, I'm gonna have to take this lower cowl off, or lower fairing, by loosening those two bolts. Then there's just these two nuts you gotta take off right there to drop the exhaust, and then there's gonna be a mount clamp back there somewhere holding it on. So let me get this thing off and get the new one on real quick. I said I wasn't gonna film this, but I got the exhaust off. I just gotta make sure I hold on to this little piece right here, and it's time to go ahead and put the new one on. All right, I got the exhaust on. Now let's step outside and do a sound test. Another package just got delivered. I'm pretty sure these are my handlebars. I'm not gonna worry about putting these on today. I'll probably put these on either tomorrow or this weekend.
All right, so we're out here riding. I got my exhaust on. She got the little, what are you doing? I got the exhaust on. Wait, what's in this grass? Sometimes there's snakes over here. So I got my exhaust on. I think it looks pretty cool. It's a little big, but it looks cool. And it's literally ridiculously loud. So we just about to go for a ride and try to put some miles on here. Y'all probably will hear the exhaust through the headset now. And if you hear me talking, I ain't talking to myself. I'm talking to the wife. We got her a Sena, so she has hers on. I just haven't, what am I trying to say? Oh, shit. I just haven't hooked up an extra mic so y'all can hear her too. So I'm gonna do that eventually, but we're gonna put some miles on here. I'm gonna let y'all know my first impressions of this here exhaust. Let's do a really big wheelie here. Can I do one? I can't even keep it stable. Oh! No, it's a dead end. We're gonna have to turn around. So this street says no outlet, so we might as well turn around now. Ooh. So the exhaust definitely makes it known that you're in the area. People will be able to hear me a lot better now anyway, because this thing is almost as loud as my Harley, honestly. I still got to do my airbox modification, which I think is going to change the sound of it, because it's going to be flowing a lot more air once I do that also. No, that's probably my bike you're hearing. She says it sounds like her motorcycle's hard. Wait, not hard. She said it sounds like her motorcycle's loud as mine, but that's just my exhaust resonating. So we're going to go hit some little baby neighborhoods again, because we can't really ride on any major streets till we break these puppies in. Let's see what's down here. Oh, look at those horses. I gotta get me a horse. It's a requirement that I get a horse one of these days. My first impressions on this exhaust is I like the way it looks, because it has that carbon fiber look to it. So it kind of go with all the carbon fiber that's on Betty Boop here. And I'm planning on doing some more little accents and different stuff. But I like the way it looks. I do like the stock exhaust because it's so sleek and it looks like it goes with the body of the bike. But I like this one too. It's just a can exhaust is what I call it. And it sounds really good. One thing that got to get done on this bike really soon, because it's really irritating, is these levers. I feel like they're too long. I need some 2-finger levers, because whenever I shift, I usually only use 2 fingers. I don't use all 4. So it's kind of bothering me. So I want to get some 2 fingers. I kind of want to get, there's this lever called 1 finger. I kind of want to get one of those, because I like the concept of being able to clutch with 1 finger and that's it. But those puppies is kind of expensive and I don't want to pay for them. Let's see, Turkey Oak. Let's go down Turkey Oak. It's a turkey ass.
Here you go, Norbert. Say the best piece for you.
What's that?
Turkey ass. Eat up, sucker.
That's what Norbert gonna get. He gonna get turkey ass. Drive like your kids live here. You don't want me to drive like my kids live here, because I'd be doing 60 miles per hour down the street. And they going slow, it looked like. It looked like they trying to follow to where we live so they can come rob our little mini bikes. That's okay. I got my gun. I'll stick my gun up their ass. That's what I'll do. We're going to ride around. They really are following us. They just turned this way real slow. So we gonna ride around, put some miles on the bikes, get a better feeling for how this exhaust feels, and if I like it or whatnot. Well, first day, the first day example of if I like it, or not example. What is it called? The first day, first impression. If I like it for the first day. So I'll check back with y'all closer to the end of our ride and let you know my thoughts and how I feel about this exhaust. All right, see you in a minute. So yeah, we've been riding for a little while, and I'm loving the sound of the exhaust note, but we had to stop at the gas station because the bolts that hold the rear sprocket on had started to come loose on the wife's bike. I don't think when the factory put them together they put Loctite on them. I don't even know if you're supposed to put Loctite on those, but I feel like anything on a motorcycle needs Loctite because they vibrate. So we're gonna run up here and grab some Loctite and put some Loctite on it when I get to the house. So I like the way the exhaust sounds. It got a real good note, and I love the way it looked too, but I got a feeling if I was riding for extremely long periods of time and higher RPMs, I'd probably end up with a headache because this thing is loud. I mean loud. I've seen a lot of reviews where everyone's saying it's loud. Well, I ain't expected to be like this loud. Scooter love, baby, scooter love. But it's like extremely ridiculously loud. I'm thinking if I want to put in the decibel killer or whatever they call it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I may. It just depends. But let us get up here to AutoZone real quick so we can get this Loctite and then get back to the house so I can fix her bike and hopefully she'll make some food. I hope they're still open. Hope they ain't still on COVID hours. No, they open. Maybe they're going to say they can't talk to me on the phone because of COVID-19 too. Oh. Hey, it's Lou. We'll just park in here with Lou. You heard me? It did? Okay, go get some Loctite. So we got the Loctite and we're about to head back to the house. But let me know what you think of the exhaust. Do you like the way it looks? Do you like the way it sounds? I like it. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like and comment below. But it's your boy Infinit Ryda signing out, and I shall see you in the next one, which will be Sunday, right? Yeah, I'll see you on Sunday. Y'all stay safe, be blessed, and get out there on two wheels, people. Deuces. Love y'all. Oh yeah, I'm going fast. Look at this. Oh, you gotta get your toes up. You gotta get that butt crack in the air. My wife just told me she could see my crack. It's hanging out. I'm catching a breeze. I'm cooling it off.